Hey peeps, it's Think About It Thursday. So of course I've been thinking about it. So I think that one of the things I'd like to talk to you about when I've been thinking about stuff is when you're buying your home, and then of course there's paint. Paint, color, color, color. And there's two schools of thought. So if you're putting your home on the market, you of course need to think about trends and look up some interior decorating tips and ideas about what would be the best colors for the season to paint your home. And typically those are more neutral, like maybe, you've recently heard that gray is on the way out, and creams and taupes and light colors are on the way in. And that's cool if you're selling your home. So that's one school of thought. Second school of thought, you buy your home and it's not the color you want when you get in there, but it was a killer home and you got a great deal and you love it and you love the neighborhood, but it's just not those colors and you love color. I say this is the second school of thought. If it's your home and you're going to live there, you're probably not going to sell it next year. You're probably not going to sell it the year after that. So pick the colors you love. As an example, maybe you're a gal like me who really likes a lot of turquoise and teal and has that Caribbean feel. So when I come home, I can channel the beach. Or, maybe you're feeling a little more southwesterny. I don't know. And you like kind of, caramels and peaches and rust and terracottas. I don't know. Or maybe you're selling your home, back to that first school of thought, and you just need, something neutral. All I can tell you is if it is a home that you're buying and you want to have colors that enrich your soul, then pick the colors you love. You can always paint again when you put your house back on the market. And on top of that, by then, the trend will be different. So I say live out loud, live your colors, and paint to your heart's desire. Think about it. Peace.